So I've been dropshipping for the past 3 years, and if there was one thing I wish I knew earlier, it would be influencer marketing. And the reason behind that is because influencer marketing is literally like this bag that is filled with cash but you don't have access to it. And the reason why you don't have access to it is because you don't have the knowledge. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how exactly I did it and how you guys can actually get yourself this money from the bag that is filled with the cash, and how you can actually start making some real cash. And by the way, over 50% of this is just pure profit. Now to start off, guys, I know nobody is talking about this one method that I'm currently using in order to make the most amount of money out of your customers and hit the target that you have never hit before. But for me, I like to be transparent and I like to show you guys how I did it so you guys can do it too. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the bag that I sold, how I sold it, which was through influencer marketing, and most importantly, how I reached out to these influencers for them to do the promotion completely on percentage basis and do not charge me anything upfront. Now you guys might be thinking, why don't you go with UGC or why don't you go with TikTok ads? Now if I'm being honest, TikTok ads and UGC market has been filled with so many videos and everybody is paying crazy amount of money just to be in that market. But there's an easier way around it and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how. Now I know a lot of you guys are waiting for me to reveal the product, how it's making me over 30k every single month. But before I reveal the product, I want to show you guys how easy it is to find these winning products. And no, this video is not sponsored. I'm talking about a free tool that you guys can start using right now. It's actually your own TikTok account. All you have to do is literally create a brand new TikTok account and interact with dropshipping videos, and this is what your For You page would look like. My For You page is literally filled with so many winning products, and this is exactly how I came across my own product, which is a travel bag. You can literally add any type of clothes with the hanger, and the best part, you can even add your shoes inside this travel bag. As you guys saw with this, one of our competitors literally selling this exact product, and we had to come up with a greater idea in order to sell this product. Now a normal dropshipper would go either with a UGC creator to create videos or go with TikTok ads and pay a shit ton of money just to get a few clicks and maybe zero sales. But for us, we actually played it very smart. So now I'm gonna explain how exactly I did this, and make sure you guys are writing this down or at least listening carefully, because this is super important. Now the first thing you have to do is literally analyze your competitors, how they're selling it and which areas they are weak, so you can take advantage of them. When we looked at our competitor and their website, the thing that we realized was that the information of the product wasn't even there. About the bag, there wasn't even much information. It was just a few pictures that they took for the bag. So for us to come in the market, we had to of course be better than them. So what did we do? We wrote every single information about the bag in our website and made sure that everyone who came to our website understood the product and bought it as soon as possible. Now what's the second step after you know which areas they're weak? The second thing that we had to know was, where are they selling their bags so we can sell it in somewhere alternative. Now this was easy because we found the bag through organic videos that they were creating for this bag, and we just had to be different and actually target a different audience. And we also realized that they were actually using advertisement to actually promote this product too. And of course, if you guys want to know how, we used PP ads. We actually just put the product name, and in PP ads we actually saw all of the advertisement that these guys were using. And if you guys want to get PP ads, the link is in the description. And no, this video is not sponsored or anything. It's just a great tool that I actually personally use, and I would suggest you guys to use it too. And how we could take over it is actually by influencer marketing. Now as I told you guys at the start of the video, I've been dropshipping for the past 3 years, and if there was one thing I wish I knew earlier, it would be influencer marketing. Now influencer marketing is so powerful because influencer marketing actually targets the people that you have never targeted before. It's almost like targeting an army. The army would do literally anything to keep their general happy or to keep someone who's in higher position happy. So what did we do? We ordered a few samples from Amazon, and when we got it here, we added our own logos and we sent it to around 10 different influencers on this exact script. Now this script is blurred out because this script is in our Discord, and our Discord is completely for free. So if you want to join, the link is in the description. And we sent this exact script to around 100 influencers, which we got around 10 influencers ready to work with us. And mainly the reason behind that was because we actually had a great text. Now of course, if you guys want to send this text, all you have to do is literally build an Instagram page, post a few pictures of the bag, get a few thousand followers, and start DMing influencers. And I promise guys, this script is so powerful that we even got some people that were having millions of followers to actually reply to us, which sounds crazy because they never work on commission basis. They always take upfront money, but just because of our script, we got them to work with us completely with no upfront payment. And if you guys don't know already, if an influencer posts something for their followers, the followers would literally buy it just because of their influencer. For example, some people join Tate's Academy not because of his academy or what it has, but because of Tate. because they feel more connected to him. That's why being an influencer is so powerful, because you can impact anyone. So after sending it to influencers and then posting it on social media, getting a 10% commission for every post that they post, we actually got so many good influencers to post so many amazing content completely for free and just on salary basis. Now I know you guys might be thinking, how do you even track how much percentage each influencer got? And for that we actually use this app called Affiliately. Affiliately is an app that you can create any customizable link that will be tracked automatically. So anyone who gets a sale through that link, they will automatically know that they got a sale, and you will also be able to see the dashboard on how much they have made. And no, this is not sponsored by Affiliately. It's just an amazing tool that I use by myself. So after doing affiliate marketing just for a few weeks, now our brand almost makes 2 to 3k every single day with just these influencers. And for this month of February, we're set to hit 60,000 dirhams with 30k in profit, and that's exactly why influencer marketing is one of the best ways to actually get the most amount of customers. Now if I were to give you guys some pros and cons of influencer marketing, is that it takes a lot of more energy than TikTok ads, but the result is going to be much more fruitful than TikTok or any other UGC creator. UGC creator just charges you so much high and you don't even know if the video is going to do good or not. But with the script that we have, we can actually target influencers with millions of followers, still get a reply back, and actually get a deal closed. Now this is just the start for this brand, and I know you guys already know the product, but trust me, we're going to target the influencers that you guys have never ever seen. But apart from that, I also have a program which teaches you how to sell viral products like this Portaflix projector or this memory frame. And how do you get access to it? You literally join the free Discord in my bio and someone will take care of you completely from A to Z, or you can just submit a support ticket to get access to one of our student supports that's going to guide you completely through everything from A to Z. And of course, for more information, visit hustlersecom.com. We have all of the packages and everything available over there, and I hope you guys took the value out of this video. Make sure you get yourself into the influencer marketing, because it's a treasure that nobody has touched. It's literally like the bag that I told you guys that is filled with cash, but no one is getting access to it. Because I remember when I was an influencer and when I was getting deals on percentage basis, I could never reject it. Why? Either I liked the product a lot, or either the commission was really good. And for the bag brand, the 10% sounds so good for these influencers that they don't even want to reject. And I don't mean to say that it's not going to work out for you guys. It could potentially even be better for you. But you have to try, and you have to try, and you have to try, because if you don't try, you're never going to know. And that's why you have to try your best at everything that you do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.